guys, thanks for tuning in to Second Son Woodworks. My name is Caleb. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sign, a worded sign with some paper, some masking tape, a 5/8 carving shank for a router, wood that I had left over, and I'll be using my DeWalt router today. So first thing first, I need to switch out the current router bit that I have on here. I have like a 1/4 router bit, but I ordered this off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks or something like that, but I think it's specifically made for doing more really fine detailed stuff. So you'll see right here, I have a client who wants a sign, and this is the last name of the client, and so I'll be using these words on this piece of wood to router out the sections where the where they'll be sitting. And kind of pop it out of. And you can slide this thing down too by pushing these two, and then take this off. Makes it a little easier. And then make some screws like that. Don't need to loosen it up too much. And then we'll take this new bit, which, like I said, it's almost like a needle. And so you can kind of see this. It's real sharp here at the end. This is definitely a bit you want to be careful with. And tighten her in. Alright. Gotta find the two. Yeah, I guess it's about a 1/4 inch, a little more. I'll start out. Use some masking tape to attach the pieces of paper to the board. I forgot to mention too that I got some two-sided tape that I also picked up on the internet. Attach the paper, and then I'll do masking tape over top of that. And I also printed off a little tree. They kind of wanted something a little bit natural in there. So I think I'm gonna do something like this. I will put links in the description below for all the stuff that I'm using today, such as this two-sided tape and the router bit that I'm going to be using. I'm going to throw some wood in the fire. So now I'm going to flip this stuff over and attach it where I want the sign to be. Which is fine. Alright, now I'm going to get some masking tape. I'm going to put some masking tape right over the top of these letters. So now, before I actually move on to doing the routing part, I'm going to secure this to my bench. And since I don't have like a clamp here, I'm just going to use kind of a combination of some bar clamp. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use this long Bessie clamp, and I'm going to secure the sides of this. I don't want to do clamps just right on top because it's going to get in the way of my router. So I'm going to secure that up on there like that. Tighten that in. And then I'm going to take these two separate smaller Bessie clamps and just go right onto the table. And I should hold it on there pretty well. And the clamps won't be in the way of everything. Alright, now once you got your eye protection on, and I would wear a dust mask, some gloves. You can go into Okay, now that I've done the majority of the routering, I'm just going to use a chisel to finish everything up. So I'm going to disconnect it really fast from this so I can take all the tape off. Double-edged tape is a little bit harder to get off. It's doable, so that's good. I'm gonna sand a lot of this out. Alright, so as you can see, got the letters. They're pretty rough, so don't be nervous because at this point, because I'm going to use my chisel to kind of clean everything up, make some hard lines on this thing. Do one more quick vacuum too. Alright guys, now that I have finished the first 2 coats of polyurethane on the front side of the sign, I'm going to flip it over, do a little bit of touch-up sanding around the sides where there's some drip marks, and then I'll polyurethane 2 coats on the back side. Then after I'm finished with that, I'm going to let it dry obviously, and then I'm going to flip it back over, come to the front side, and do kind of a really high grit sandpaper polishing on the front side, and then do one final coat. So let's get started. Well, there you have it, folks. Another episode of Second Son Woodworks here on my YouTube channel. My name is Caleb, and I hope that this video today was helpful for you and that you enjoyed watching it. I really have a lot of fun making these videos, and I love woodworking, and I want to share the knowledge that I have with the YouTube community. So that being said, please like, subscribe, share, comment, leave questions below, and I will see you next time.